Hey guys, if you're new here, then this is the trailer for you. I post Roblox videos, Roblox Studio videos, but I don't publish Roblox videos anymore because you have to help me fix this bug. The bug is in one of my video sections, so I'm going to be posting Roblox Studio videos. But actually, I think I'm going to show you a tutorial. A simple tutorial. I actually did this in a video. So, you want to insert a tool and a part. Now name the tool to part. Drag the part into there. Name it handle. Right here. Then you want to insert a proximity prop. And then name it click detector. And then you want to insert two scripts, 1 and then 2. The first script you want to type in local tool equals script dot parent dot parent. You want to type in local click equals script dot parent dot click detector. Now you're gonna double it. You wanna go to the end of the line and double enter. You wanna press enter 2 times on this part. Then you wanna type in local function, and then type in pickup, and then do these. Type in player, and then press and then go to the end line. Press enter. Then type in script dot parent colon clone, and then type in dot parent equals game dot workspace dot, actually no, don't type dot, do that, and then type in player dot name. Once you do that, press enter. Then type in script dot parent dot parent. Actually, don't delete the parent. Then type in. Actually, you want to type in tool right there. Tool colon clone. All right. So, you want to type in right here. Tool. Actually, no. Type in script dot parent dot game dot workspace. Alright, you're right here. Game dot workspace dot not dot. Alright, dot player dot name. Alright, we have this. And we're typing dot. I'm gonna type in dot again. And I'm gonna type in dot part and dot handle, and then dot click detector dot dot enabled equals false. There we go. Now on the next script, you want to type in script dot parent, and then type in dot I forget dot parent. Oh yeah, dot. You want to make a tool. All right, so you want to type in local in the front tool equals. All right, there we go. Now we have that. Now we can type in tool like this, and then type in dot right here, and then type in dot equipped colon connect function, like that. Now you need to press enter, and then copy and then actually don't copy it. Type in script dot parent dot dot parent dot click detector dot enable equals false. There we go. Now you can go ahead and copy this, paste it right there. Now you want to delete the E and type in un, and then you click. Right there, we have that. Make sure that the U is capitalized, and then make sure you type in true on this line. Once you do that, you can go ahead and test it. And then once you press on it, it should work. But I think it's because of this. Actually, no, it's not because of that. I forgot. You have to go to the 9th line, type in script dot parent. Actually, no. Pick up. Script dot parent dot click detector. No, I forgot. What do you type? Script dot parent dot click detector dot triggered connect pick up. Okay, I found it. Alright, there we go. Now you have to type it in like that, and then you can try it. I'm gonna make sure I say to pick up. Alright, now I'm gonna say to interact. Now we have that. Bam. And then we go on here, and bam. And that's it, guys. Now I gotta make sure that what do I do? I forget. I think I know what to do, guys. Okay, here's what you do. You want to type in exactly what I type in, but make sure it's on top of the line where it says tool : clone. You want to type in script. Alright, you're going to type in if script dot parent. Actually, no. If game dot workspace. Alright, now you want to do this. Type in player dot name. Alright, dot player dot name dot part. Then alright, you want to make sure you go right here and type in script dot parent dot click detector dot enabled equals false. Alright, now you can see we have it right there. Alright, now we can test it. I don't know if it'll work. Actually, it doesn't work. Alright, so we're gonna have to delete this. I need to make sure that I find out that the player dot tool : connect, and then function like that. Alright, now I'm gonna make it say script dot parent. Alright, script dot parent dot click detector dot enabled double equals actually type in just regular or like that. Alright, let's hope this works. I think we already have it. Or is there a part already in there? I think there is. You know what? Let's just delete this. That's gonna be it. Probably next video will be on how to grab it. Actually, no. How to make it detect if the player already has it. And yeah, guys. Bye.